elevators at the Hilton Garden Inn in Oldsmar, Florida. And look at what we got. We got Otis Series 6. Wow. Gotta give huge thanks to Hotel and Elevator, I believe is his name, for finding this. Wow. We'll give this another ride, because you don't see this often, do ya? Just chimed again. We'll go down to 1 and I'll end on 5 because that's because I'm gonna get some still pics after I'm done with the video. But I'll send this one up and we'll try to get the other car. Chime definitely sounds like it's on its way out. Let's get the other one. And here's the other one. Same as the other one. And we'll end the video when we get up to 5. We'll get a quick look at these buttons because you don't typically see a Series 6. Look at that. Alright. Don't shaw me. And I'm gonna get off here. And there they go. That'll be it.